Welcome back to PcomLap again. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how you can also create amazing videos using screen recording with OBS Studio. If you are a YouTuber or you want to start your YouTube channel without revealing your face, you must have a video recording tool like OBS or anyone. Today we are going to show you that how you can also record clear and simple, how you can record your entire screen using OBS Studio but with higher quality and without lagging. Simply go to settings and general. Here you can see there are language, update settings, output, source alignment, projectors, system tray, preview. These are the very general things. If you want amazing stream or output, simply go to output section and go to recording. If you can see here, I already selected the type of output standard. Second, recording path. You must have to allocate one recording path to your OBS Studio. I have selected the second drive that I have. Your recording format must have MKV or I can say .mkv or .mp4. Video encoder AMD HW H.264 that I have. The graphics. Audio encoder, no need to change. Then go to encoder settings, scroll down and you can see encoder settings. Here you must have to select CBR, then bitrate 16,000 kbps, keyframe interval 2 seconds, select preset quality, profile high and max bframe 3. Then go to audio and select default. Meters, no need to change. Advanced, no need to change. No need to change. Now directly go to video section. Here you must have to select 1920 aspect ratio 16:9, 16 and 9 and full HD resolution 1920 x 180p and output scale also 1920 x 180. Select these both resolution and common FPS value 60. Then you must have to apply and OK. Currently I am using OBS Studio so I cannot change the settings of this. So after changing these all things you can create or record your entire screen with high resolution and with efficiency. For streaming, select CBR, bitrate 3200 kbps, keyframe 2 seconds, preset quality and profile high. Click on apply and click on OK. After changing this, you can record your entire screen with efficiency, effectiveness and with higher quality. What are you waiting for? Go and record your entire screen with OBS Studio. If you want one tutorial that how to download OBS Studio, I already given the link in the description box or in comment section about this tutorial that how to download OBS Studio and how to start with it. If this video helped you, then like, comment and subscribe to PcomLab and hit that bell icon for further updates. Tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.